Good evening, friends. Welcome to Mona's Indices View for 22nd September 2021. Yesterday, in my Indices View, I had mentioned that Nifty will find support at 17,250-300 levels. And I had also mentioned that if there is a gap down opening, one should not short the Nifty till such time it breaks 17,250 levels on the downside. Today, like I mentioned yesterday, Nifty was no doubt volatile. At the end of the day, we have a solid body candle being formed in today's trade with the closing at the top of the range with a long lower shadow almost the size of the upper body, indicating that there was buying from lower levels. Going forward, 17,280-300 is a very strong support for Nifty. If in tomorrow's trade, Nifty crosses 17,620-25 levels, then further upside can be expected. For the time being, the range for Nifty is between 17,280-300 on the downside and about 17,800 levels, the high which it made 2 days ago. Moving on to short-term charts in Nifty, after making a low at 17,320 levels, Nifty made a smart recovery throughout the day and ended higher at 17,566 with about 170 points on the higher side. Tomorrow, as I had mentioned yesterday, that 17,450 is a strong resistance on the higher side. Now, the same 17,450 will offer good support for Nifty going forward in tomorrow's trade. Any dip towards 17,450 can be brought with a strict stop below 17,440 for first target of 17,625 on the higher side. If it crosses and sustains 17,625, then further upsides up to 17,660 and 690 is possible. The market will be highly volatile tomorrow also. Moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as I had mentioned yesterday, that heavy shorts were built up. Today, Bank Nifty fell almost 500 points to its logical support at 36,500 levels. Towards the end of the day, almost all the shorts were covered and we have a positive body candle being formed with a long shadow indicating that lot of shorts have been covered in Bank Nifty. For the time being, Bank Nifty, we can term it as consolidating sideways between a range of 36,500 and 38,100 on the higher side. Moving on to short-term charts in Bank Nifty, 37,000 continues to act as good support for Bank Nifty going forward. Immediately, Bank Nifty faces significant hurdle at 37,400 levels. Once Bank Nifty sustains above 37,400, then further upsides up to 37,900 is possible. Please follow your stop losses strictly as the market is highly volatile. I will be back with my stock calls and derivatives report later tonight. Till such time, bye from me.